Hi, my name is Akshay Mehra and my student ID is 201-906-287, and this is my website I made. As you can see, this is the home page, and I put an image at the background and one template here, and here it tell us about the website. And as we go down, we see there are our services, different kinds of services with the kindness, with childcare, that do all childcare and humanities, safe food and financial helping people. You can go here and read more. And these links give us the information of our events that gonna happen in the future with the fees and everything. You can apply here. And at the end of the website, you see there about us again, which give the address and every website. So, and here you can subscribe to our newsletter. In here, get in touch. And as we go at the top of the page, we, this is the home page. So now we're going to about, and here we can see Human Welfare NGO. That is our website based on. This is the information, and here we give our motto. And next, going to the gallery, here we upload the pictures so it can ask for the help from the people. We can open the picture here and see the picture, and this images motivate us to donate something to it, and we can see all the pictures. Now here, any person in the world who need help, any kind of help that we can do in our limits, we provide the helping desk. Here you can fill your information, full name, email and reason, and submit your details. We will get back to you as soon as possible. And here you can also ask about details of the company. You can contact us here. You put your name, email and everything, and we're gonna reply you back. And here it's our map. You can find us here. In it shows the location of our base, and as we go up, and there's a simple question and answers. Are you log in? Can I register without mail? And everything that is important you need to know for the website and the normal questions. So, and also one more thing, this NGO is based in Montreal. So we have our base location in the Montreal. And as we go further at the application, we can apply here with our details, passport number and everything, and or we can upload our resume here with the help of this. And now with the main thing of this website, we can donate here, donate now, and we give the amount, or you want to enter your own amount, you can use this information, enter bank details, and it will be better. And also we can log in, and if you forgot your password, you can click here and go through the page where you can submit your username, and we will give you the new link to log in. And one more thing, I have sent you all the milestones, 4 milestones. So if you have any further question, please do tell me. And that's it from my side. Thank you very much.